now. You see? I watch his style now. Everybody know what's going on with my brother Bashy situation, you see me? And I all support Bashy, me I support. When I have to call on you, whenever I switch, believe me, I'm Badness for the right show.
When you see him, them viewers, your favorite artist, turn politician, Papi Show Sentan. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit up, so no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. Me go show you the Allman town Dan, Bobo plus Johnny from Barbican. I want dangerous youth that. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and me gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
Believe now. You see? I watch his style now. Everybody know what's going on with my brother Bashy situation, you see me? And I all support Bashy, me I support. When I have to call on you, whenever I switch, believe me, I'm Badness for the right show. You see me out here, me? Big up PNP, right show.
When you see him, them viewers, your favorite artist on PNP Papi Show Sentan. My people, why everywhere that you go, him a fear tell people say him a gunman, and how him no left him gun, and all this and that, and one bag of blue pins. Brother, you can't even run. You talk for 5 minutes. You run out of breath. What you gonna do when the killer them pull up a foot? Hide behind a Bashy? Use Bashy as a human shield? A full time now no found an artist keep it real, you know. And make the ghetto youth them know, you know. So not only a sing badness to get out of poverty, you know. You know nah do nothing. Cause the real killers them boy, yeah, them no go everywhere go tell people say them a killer. Them they even want nobody know say them a killer. Who know, and who no know. And if you no know and you ramp with them, then you go find out who are the real killer. So see him them people, chronicler, we say him a real killer, and this and that, and everywhere him go him have him gun. The realest killer them in a dance hall just do 13 years and come out and see squash there, him have to run away from boya. See Movado there, him have to lift up and run away from boya. So all a who hear a talk and a sing BOBO Badness boya, them nah do nothing no boya. Cause if the killers them are, if police did really want them boya, them would have left from boya. So see it my people, this is how politics gone to boya now. Man I use all type of people for gain vote, for get vote. Because you see through them know say the youth them listen to chronicler and follow anything where chronicler them say. That's why I see Marky G jar for them man ya, for use them like a puppet in the conference. So my people, walk with me and now. Allman town badness, you know. See Bobo ya, they done for the Legion gang. My people, Bobo and CJ was friend, you know. The two done me at the place, you know. But as what me always say, you have a thing when name ego, you have a thing when name friend turn enemy. Man start to make talk say man fi dead. Man start to tell man say them can't come round ya so cause we run down ya so. And any man we see from up the road what go happen to them. My people, go now look at history about Bobo. Bobo, see me up on the screen. Him father was a Dan, you know. And that's why I say more them youth you can jump in a badness, you know. And run down Dan ship, you know. Because certain thing was already set in place for enough of them. From Bobo young, him a angle gun. A run down badness. A program youth. Have youth a walk time. So no feel him turn big man now. What no think I got happen? You think that did I go stop? See CJ ya. CJ family when him Prezi was the Dan before him dead. And that's why I see them youth I can push up them head right now. And I run down the badness right now. And I say them are the Dan for the place right now. And I make talk. And I give you talk. Because the ghetto will always be the ghetto. And where the youth them live come see, you know. Them live come see them family. Them a run up and down with all iron in the place. So what you expect? Eh? Them nah no change. All when Bobo they are foreign, him still a send talk, still a send money for buy shot and gun, still a program him top killer when him Tambo. So see it my people, this is it. Hope the people them over Allman town, hope money yai, stay safe over there. Cause any moment now me I tell you no, CJ and Bobo, I pray them one another. And I hope the youth them know say, right now, ain't no joke boy. Squaddy them a coffee every man and fling them down boy. So just know say from you step in a badness, I eat this brother. So my people walk with me now. See Johnny one of the most wanted killer them up a Barbican. Him ends out a standpipe more while him there legally where him kill a friend them there. Go now look at history about Johnny. Dangerous youth me I tell you no. No much 9 ball them youth a fire. No much people them youth a left flat pan them face. Johnny murder him own a friend. I saw him make him name. Cause most of the youth them boy you know. Friend killer them you know. General use them you know. For get rid of them friend you know. Until them turn big killer now a road you know. And a hype you know. So see me my people. Johnny. Dangerous youth from Barbican. Him roll with Chino them. Chocolate them. And the whole of them. So my people. Know what I do. Stay safe out there. Me go dig off you now. Take away myself. Crime and violence now have no stop boy you know. You see it ya? This the whole of the youth them a run down boy ya. Artists a sing about badness. A glorify badness. And make it look like badness are the best thing since sliced bread. So I think the youth them now go follow. And jump in it. And run it down. When them they even know say most of them artists ya. Just a sing about badness for make $1. So my people, until next time, you see me?